In the heart of Gotham, Punisher's one-man war against crime clashes with Batman's vigilantism. Their paths cross as they pursue an enigmatic figure named Jigsaw. Batman intervenes, igniting a clash between the two titans. A gang war erupts, with the Joker adding chaos. Batman strives for order, but Punisher embraces the madness. As they exchange adversaries, a shared pain is revealed. Batman prevents Punisher from executing the Joker, leading to a furious clash. Batman compels Punisher to leave Gotham, and as he departs, the city's shadows sigh in relief, leaving Batman to unravel the mysteries behind Punisher's presence. Keep watching this exciting full story only here.
In the grim shadows of Gotham, Punisher found himself entangled once again in its dark embrace, a city of chaos that he despised more than any other. His silent pursuit of justice clashed with the twisted dance of crime that plagued the streets. Commissioner Gordon and his team observed from a discreet distance, waiting as Punisher waged a one-man war against the local street thugs. Violent gunshots were exchanged between Punisher and street thugs, creating a chaotic Gotham City. The relentless firefight unfolded with Punisher systematically dismantling the thugs, leaving them strewn across the desolate alley. His solitary pursuit reached its apex when only one thug remained, a vital link to the enigmatic Jigsaw. Watching from afar, Batman lingered in the shadows, a vigilant guardian wrestling with his own moral code. Batman, recognizing the imminent destruction that Punisher threatened to unleash, decided to intervene. The Caped Crusader, a silhouette against the city's brooding skyline, struck with precision, disrupting Punisher's pursuit and allowing the last thug to slip away into the shadows. The Dark Knight harbored knowledge of Punisher's past visit to Gotham, an encounter with a different figure beneath the iconic cowl. Unbeknownst to Punisher, Batman was not the schizophrenic figure he believed, but a steadfast guardian with unwavering principles. Batman, acknowledging their shared goals, reluctantly decided to rid Gotham of Punisher's lethal brand of vigilantism. The clash between the two titans ensued, leaving the streets in chaos as Punisher managed to escape, leaving Batman to uncover the true purpose behind his return. Meanwhile, the lone thug, desperate to save himself, tracked down Jigsaw, assuring him that Punisher remained in the dark about his identity. Jigsaw, uncertain but intrigued, found himself confronted not only by his mysterious partner but also the deranged Joker. The Clown Prince of Crime, emerging from the shadows, disposed of the thug in a macabre jest, reveling in the chaos that surrounded him. Jigsaw, aspiring to ascend the ranks of Gotham's criminal underworld with Joker's promised assistance, patiently awaited the completion of his plastic surgery. Joker, ever the maestro of madness, consoled Jigsaw, emphasizing the thrill of having an arch-nemesis. The impending clash with Punisher added a new layer of anticipation to Jigsaw's criminal ambitions. In their respective lairs, Punisher and Batman delved into each other's backgrounds, attempting to decipher the enigma that was their counterpart. Frustration mounted as Punisher grappled with Batman's moral compass, while Microchip, Punisher's ally, struggled to comprehend the bat-costumed vigilante. Batman, recognizing the imminent danger, sought to understand the catalyst behind Punisher's presence in Gotham. The Jigsaw and the Joker threatened a street thug named Luke by burying him deep in the sand for the information about Jimmy Navarone. The thug delivered the information demanded about the Jimmy and where to meet him. Consequently, with no use of thug after getting information, the Joker killed the Luke by stomping his head onto ground, and leaving him dead. Punisher and Batman independently traced the web of corruption that led them to a clandestine meeting of major criminals. The clandestine meeting of Navarone, Jigsaw and other high-profile criminal figures occurred in the Gotham City. The coordinates of the location is tracked by both the Punisher and the Batman, as Microchip and Robin engaged in a digital duel. The confrontation escalated unexpectedly when Jigsaw recognized Punisher, triggering a chaotic battle. Amidst the escalating gang war, Batman strove to minimize casualties, but Punisher, unburdened by moral qualms, embraced the chaos. The arrival of Joker further intensified the conflict, unsettling the criminal elite who sought to distance themselves from the chaotic clown. Joker, reveling in the madness, recognized a kindred spirit in Punisher. The Robin and the Microchip, the respective allies of indomitable heroes, Batman and Punisher, indulged in the computer hacking to create power shutdown in the chaotic place. As Jigsaw's face bore the scars of the conflict, Batman confronted Punisher, demanding his immediate departure from Gotham. The Batman neutralized the criminal thugs and deceptively deployed the smoke bombs to affect their vision. The Punisher got shot on his hand. The enraged Punisher was deeply disturbed and vowed to retaliate with vengeance. He joined the madness, delivering considerable gunshots. From the distance, the Punisher admired the Batman handling single-handedly multiple thugs. He realized something is wrong behind him and prepared to throw a pellet grenade to neutralize the mysterious threat behind him. The mysterious man behind was Jigsaw. The face of Jigsaw, which was already recovering from the plastic surgery, were again gravely injured by the Punisher's explosive. The Batman finally approached the Jigsaw and commandeered him to drop the gun by carrying his throat. In a dramatic turn of events, Batman and Punisher exchanged adversaries, with Batman apprehending Jigsaw and Punisher pursuing Joker. Muzzle flashlight, both visible and infrared, created by a muzzle blast, which is caused by the sudden release and expansion of high temperature from the Joker's gun, almost blinded the Punisher. The Joker, ever the master of chaos, pointed out the shared pain of loss that bound Batman and Punisher, deducing the Dark Knight's tragic past. The Batman finally neutralized the Jigsaw to the ground. The Punisher reluctantly chased the Joker for revenge. The Joker fell down accidentally because of the banana peel. The Punisher approached the Joker with a murderous intent. The Punisher pointed his gun on the face of Joker. Batman, preventing Punisher from executing the Joker, allowed the clown to escape, much to Punisher's dismay. Furious at Batman's unwillingness to end the Joker's madness, Punisher lashed out in frustration. Batman, resilient, absorbed Punisher's blows, emphasizing his commitment to protecting Gotham from the likes of Punisher. With a final warning, Batman compelled Punisher to leave the city, an ultimatum met with incredulity. As Punisher departed the grim city of Gotham, his disdain echoed in his thoughts. "I hate Gotham," Punisher mused, yearning for the familiarity of his own cesspool, New York City, where at least the chaos made sense. The shadows of Gotham sighed in relief as Punisher's silhouette faded into the distance, leaving Batman to unravel the mysteries that had brought the Punisher to their city.